Welcome to my channel Food Nutrition and Healthy Life. Today I am going to talk about tomato, its availability, distribution, the nutritional value and the benefits of consuming tomato. Tomato is a more commonly used vegetable used in dishes and cuisines in most households around the world. It is actually an edible fruit of the tomato plant. Tomato fruit comes in with a variety of colors ranging from green, yellow, orange, red and purple depending on the species and also on the maturity of the fruit. Uses of tomato. Tomatoes are used in different types of recipes such as salads, curries, chutneys, soups, stuffings, etc. The ingredients used in ready-made foods such as pizzas, sauce, ketchup are also made from tomatoes. Tomato flavor is a mix of acid and sugar and it has a characteristic smell due to the presence of volatile compounds in the fruit. Its flavor is described as sweet, tart, tangy or balanced. It's also described as mild or bland. Tomato plant. Tomato is a fruit or berry that comes from the plant Solanum lycopersicum or the tomato plant. It is botanically a fruit, though it is used as a vegetable. The size of the tomato varies from 0.5 inches to 4 inches and it depends on the variety of the plant. Tomato plant is a dicotyledonous plant with two germinal leaves in the seed that grows with a series of branching stems. Origin of tomato. The tomato plant originated from the western Central America and South America. The Aztec people from the Americas cultivated tomato for food from ancient times. Later on, the Spanish brought the tomato plant from the Americas to Europe and then to other parts of the world. Tomato crop. Tomato plants are grown in tropical and temperate regions of the world. Greenhouses are also used to grow tomatoes in cold temperatures. Tomato plants are vines that grow about 1 to 3 meters in height. It needs support to crawl and grow in length. They have a series of branching stems with a terminal bud. Tomato plants have compound leaves that are 10 to 25 centimeters in length, pinnate with 5 to 9 leaflets. Tomato fruit. The tomato fruit develops from the ovary of the plant. The epicarp is thin. The mesocarp and the endocarp forms the flesh of the tomato. There are hollow spaces known as locular cavities within the mesocarp, which contains the seeds and some moisture. The entire epicarp, mesocarp and the endocarp along with the seeds are edible. Nutritional value of tomato. Tomatoes contain adequate amounts of vitamin C. There are also smaller amounts of other vitamins such as vitamin K, vitamin B6, vitamin A, etc. It contains minerals such as potassium, manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. It also contains good amount of lycopene, which is an important antioxidant present in tomato. These are the substances that give the tomato its health benefits. The substance lycopene in tomato gives its characteristic red color. Nutritional benefits of tomato. Prevents cancer. Tomatoes contain vitamin C and other antioxidants such as lycopene. These substances destroy free radicals in our body. Free radicals are formed inside the body due to oxidative reactions, and these are known to cause cancer. Lycopene in tomato is known to prevent prostate cancer. The fiber content in tomato is known to reduce colorectal cancer. The beta-carotene present in tomato reduces the risk of colon cancer. Regulates blood pressure. The potassium content in tomato helps to prevent high blood pressure due to its vasodilator effects or widening of arteries. Increased potassium and reduction of sodium helps to maintain normal blood pressure. Improve heart health. Tomato contains folate that helps to balance homocysteine levels, which has an adverse effect on the heart and increases the chance of heart attacks and stroke. Potassium that is present in tomato helps to protect the muscle destruction due to exertion. Lycopene also helps to lower LDL cholesterol. Control diabetes. The high fiber content of tomato helps to reduce blood glucose levels. Beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin can help protect eyes due to diabetic retinopathy. Improves skin health. The antioxidant effects of vitamin A, lycopene, and other compounds helps prevent damaging effects of UV radiation from the sun. It also improves the skin tone and color. Welcome once again back to my channel, Food, Nutrition and Healthy Life. Here I am going to demonstrate the characteristic features of a tomato. Tomato is it's a commonly used vegetable, as we know, mostly used in cuisines and curries and dishes. Here we have a tomato. It is botanically classified as a berry or a fruit rather than as a vegetable. It is more classified as a berry or a fruit. As you can see, it is ovoid in shape. It's not like round and ovoid in shape. It's slightly orange to red in color. It has a soft consistency. The skin is soft in consistency. It has two depressions. One is the depression that is here, and there is another depression on the bottom, and the depression that is seen here, it's a portion where it was connected to the thalamus and the sepals. It was initially connected to the thalamus and the sepals, which instead was connected to the plant. Here you can also see the another depression here. This is initially that was connected to the pistil of the inflorescence of the flower. There are also some smaller grooves running transversely across the skin of the tomato. It is running transversely. Small grooves you can see. It is running transversely across the body of the tomato. The tomato fruit consists of the pericarp and the seeds. The pericarp, it is the outer covering, which includes the outer covering, that is the skin of the tomato. And the pericarp is it is composed of three layers. The first layer, that is epicarp. Epicarp is the skin of the tomato. The skin that is shown, that you can see on the outer portion of the tomato, is the skin, that is epicarp. And then there is the mesocarp, there is a layer in between, and then there is an endocarp, that is the innermost layer. Endocarp is the innermost layer. It is mostly pulpy in nature, where the seeds are embedded in the tomato. Let us do a transverse cutting of this tomato. For that, you'll just use a knife to cut it transversely across the tomato here. So we have cut the tomato into two halves, and these are the two halves. You can see the layers. The outer epicarp, that is the skin of the tomato. Then there is the inner layer, which is the mesocarp. This is the mesocarp layer, and this is the endocarp. This is the innermost layer of the tomato. The mesocarp and the endocarp layer are undifferentiated, and it forms a pulp where the seeds are embedded. There are many seeds that are seen in the endocarp layer, where where it is embedded inside this pulp layer, which is mostly succulent and fluidy. There is a lot of fluid inside this center portion that is connected to the thalamus. It is connected to the thalamus and the sepals. And all these layers, the epicarp, the mesocarp, and the endocarp layer, including the seeds, are all edible. So we can use these food we can use it as a food material. And I hope you like the video. Thanks.